Well, good morning. You know, this is the 2003 Civic here, and my daughter told me that one of the light bulbs was out, the headlights on the passenger side, so we're going to replace that. And I got to tell you, this is the first day where the pollen is covering the car like dust. So I don't know what happened between yesterday and today, but some kind of trees have just exploded. Okay, and it is April 9th. Yesterday was eclipse day, and so let me open this up, see what's going on here. Beep beep. Oh, let me confirm the problem. Turn lights on. Is this the lights? Bing 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 bing. Bing 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 bing. Okay, that light works. Oh, that light is not working right there. Okay. All right. So, okay. So let's just pop the hood. So this light is right in here. There it is. It's behind the battery in there. And I have replaced this another time. And I'm thinking the best thing to do is pull this battery out, because otherwise it's going to be really difficult to get that thing. So let me just get the battery out. So I just got to take this off, pull those off. So that'll be good. Okay, let's see if I can pull this out. Oh, this comes off. Okay, and we're going to set it right there so I remember which way it goes in. And then, yeah. Okay, there it comes. There we go. Nice. Perfect. Okay. Okay, let's just kind of look inside here. I wonder what that liquid is. I don't know, but I'm gonna just wipe it up. Huh. Looks like might be some radiator fluid from when we replaced the radiator here a while ago. Might just be stuck under there. Okay, and here's where the light comes in. Okay, so just unplugged the thing there. I'm going to take this off here, the rubber thing. Alright, there we go. Rubber plug comes out. There you go. Yeah. What I'm going to do, I have some electric cleaner, and I am going to clean out the inside of these little terminals here. Hey, good morning. Okay. Okay. I don't know if you can see it. Whoops. Right. Someone's blowing out everywhere on the car, so kind of got this microfiber cloth. There you go. So there you go. Looking nice and clean now. Okay. It looked a little goopy in there. I think at one point I had put some of that Electra. I don't know. Anyways. Woo! Hey, hit me in the face, why don't you? Okay, that's good. So I'm gonna have to let that dry off a bit. And I gotta tell you, Mr. Umberto, the lawn guy, is over there at Andrew's house. Okay. Yeah, well, that looks nice and clean. All right, that's good. And okay. All right, so I take this clip and it goes this way. All right, just like, come on off. All right, there it goes. That comes off, and it kind of moves out of the way a little bit here. And this light will come out. All right, that's okay. All right, come on, man. See, that's the problem. It comes off that screw, but that's okay. We'll get it. So here's the light, and I can't tell if it's burned out or not, but we'll get the new one. And I just remember, it comes in, it goes in just like that. Okay. So. That's good. Okay. And this is going to go down and go underneath there. Yay, we're in. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. So just leave that in there. And then this goes on like this. That says top. So we will put that on the top. Okay. That's good. That's nice. This nice thing is going to go back on just like this. It looks nice and clean in there. It's perfect. There we go. All done. That's good. Okay. Now we just got to put the battery back in. Okay, and I cleaned this all off with dishwashing liquid, dried it real good, so that's nice. And then here's this is all tight in there. That looks good. Okay. Okie dokie. And I cleaned the battery terminals. I also cleaned the terminals on the battery, so let me put that back in right now. Okay. Okie dokie, there we go. Just pop that back in. Alright, that's good. Okay, I like that. That's good, that's nice. There you go. This goes down here. This will go in there. Looks nice. Okay, so now there you go. This can go on like this. And the last step here is to put some battery protection spray on. Okay. That's good. All right, nice. Okay, everything's good here. Battery is, everything's good. The battery's back on. Oh, just checking to make sure I didn't leave anything here. There you go. Don't want to leave a socket. Let me start this thing up, see where we are. Okay. All right, so, okay. Oh boy, oh boy. Sounds very smooth. Sounds really smooth. 184701, and of course what I need to do is reset the code on the. Okay, my code is yeah, I wrote that down a while ago. 54162. So let's turn this on. 54162. 462. Hey, she's working again. All right. 184701. Okay, there you go. Put this light there. I think I'm going to vacuum the car. Okay. All right. Sounds really smooth. Oh, check those lights again. Lights. And, yep, lights on over here. Light is on over there. Let me check high beams too while I'm at it. Maybe that bulb is both low and high. I think that's the high beams. Yep, works. We're good. All right. Let's turn this off and get my. What I need to do is get my shop vac out so we can do a little bit of put the tools away, get the shop vac out. Let's vacuum, okay? Okay.